micro niche blog topics you can use today. Hi, you're welcome back. Today I would like us to look at micro niche blog topics for your affiliate marketing business. So you want to be part of affiliate marketing and you heard that you need a profitable niche to start with. What is a profitable niche? A profitable niche is a market share or business that is profitable in terms of value and the product itself. So how can we find profitable micro niches for which we can start our affiliate marketing business immediately? So without much ado, let's dive in and I'll show you how to go about this.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So we are on Wirecutter. Wirecutter is a New York Times company. Actually, they bought this company because it was an affiliate marketing created by somebody and they bought it for 20 million plus. That is huge money. $20 million, more than that actually. And if someone could do this, or if an institution or an agency could do this, you can do it too. You probably wouldn't sell yours for $20 million, but you can actually enjoy the benefit of replacing your full-time income or being your side hustle or side business. It's doable. I've done it. A lot of people have done it. So it's always doable to start an affiliate marketing business. In fact, it's one of the best ways to earn money online that I can recommend for you. So when you look at Wirecutter, Wirecutter today, because of its value, is probably doing everything. Actually recommending electronics, you look at the list there, recommending home garden products, recommending kitchen dining money, wow, credit cards and all of that, travel, gifts, so more categories, just about a whole lot of affiliate products. We want to look at micro niches. So if you want to look at a micro niche is like going into bathroom in the home garden niche, going into bedroom in the home garden niche, going into cafe in the kitchen and dining niche, going into small appliances in the kitchen and dining niche, going into audio, camera, computers, exercise. In fact, you can also go granular, go down and find other categories within exercise, within gaming, within home theater. You can always find these niches. These are micro niches and Amazon is best for this. You can find deeper niches if you dive in there. So you can look at backpacks and travel. Even with backpacks, we can have other niches under that. We have bags that is quite vague. You can find traveling bags. You can also find gym bags. A lot of that, a lot of products you can find under these niches. We have gifts. We have more niches for you there. So you can go under all of these categories and find deeper micro niches. So that is a case study for you if you want to find niches that is going deeper and micro. When you go micro, you have an advantage because you become a master of that niche. That is something you should look at. All you have to do is to have a broader domain name that can easily scale and add more products to it. With that, you can always go into a micro niche and start with that, gain mastery, and then move out, scale, and become a bigger website. How can you find these niches and then associate them with whatever you want to do or what you like? That is when I recommend Wikipedia's list of hobbies. They have indoor hobbies and they have outdoor hobbies. Just imagine, look at the list. That is about 500, getting to 1,000 there. We have to call, wow, that's a whole auto audiophilia, insect collecting, rock balancing, weightlifting, volleyball, table tennis, slot car racing, gymnastics, judo, kabaddi, boxing, bowling, beauty pageants, batting, swelling, eating, esports, my goodness. Wow, rugby. There you go. This is a huge list. So, and the fascinating aspect of that is that this is a hobby. For example, if eating is your hobby, then you can start a website or an affiliate marketing business with just recommending products around eating. With this, you can go that micro, like martial arts, marbles, I don't know about this, mahjong, animal fancy, axe throwing. My goodness, it's a sport started in 2006 in the backyard in which the competitors throw an axe at a target. Hey, look at that. Attempting to hit the bull's eye as near as possible. Okay. They're not hitting it at anybody, but normally on a target or on a slate. Axe throwing is an event in most lumberjack competitions. Today there are commercial locations in Canada, United States, Australia, New Zealand. My goodness. Chess, cheerleading, all of that. So you shouldn't lack niches to go into. In fact, it's easy to to lose sight of all of this. And normally what you like or your hobbies tend to demotivate you that you should actually monetize it. But that is easier to monetize and start creating a website or writing about it. And you can earn so much from it. Caving, canyoning, canoeing, camping, all of that. So this is a huge list that I recommend for you to find niches quickly. If you are finding it difficult to start or this is too overwhelming for you, my recommendation is to look for a turnkey website. People who have done it already and are giving the opportunity to start right from the middle, or not waste your time and energy and probabilities whether it's going to work or not. I know of this company, Human Proof Designs, and they have created these 10 key websites for you already. So you are going to start with your niche, you validate the niche, you get the tools, start creating a platform, a website, do keyword research, find people who want to buy. All of that will take you between 6 months and 1 year. These people have done that for you and they have the reputation because they are selling already. They'll give you all the details. This is going for $1,000, $1,500 for the standard. They have Supreme sites and they also have authority sites. This is what I would do today if I have the means and the investment. So with affiliate marketing, I should have started with this. You have two options. Is either you have money or you have time. I started with time. I have learned so much within 10 years and I have gained so much experience with SEO, building website, web design, and all of that. You don't need to start with all of that. If you buy this, if you have the means, that will be the best option. If you have the time, there are a lot of resources on YouTube, a lot of resources online that you can start with. In fact, I'll be creating a free training for you and people who want to start afresh but don't have so much to invest. You can go and enjoy the free training. But if I was starting again, even if I have to borrow and pay family or anybody who can help me borrow, I'll quickly borrow and get one of these standard sites. Look at the niches, the one you are interested in. If you don't find your niche here, they have custom niche built. They can build one for you with a particular niche so that it starts on a good footing without the probabilities and the fears that you may succeed or not. They will do all of that for you. All you have to do is to put work in, add more content, link building and all of that. They will teach you all of that. This is the system. I prefer going with a system than doing it on your own, especially if you need to make money quickly. Mostly people come to this when they need money quickly. I would come into affiliate marketing probably after school when you have time and you can learn for how long you want. But if you are broke, you need money quickly, can you spend 2 years learning how to build a website, how to do SEO? If you have the money, you come for one of these and you reduce your stress. So this is what I recommend for you if you are starting afresh. This would help you quickly scale and learn a lot, make a lot of mistakes. This is a real business that will start earning money for you. They have all the information there. You can view the details. So for example, and it's selling quickly. Tomorrow you come and this is not there. Monoculus, robot vacuums. They have messenger bags. It's selling for $1,298. Okay. You visit the site. There you go. So that's the name of the site, Stylish Casual Bags. So messenger bags, advice and tips. They already have content here for you. All you have to do is to buy, and then there you go. After 6 months or so, you start earning your money. Between a year, of course, a disclaimer here, this is not typical. Earning online takes work. If you don't work, you not earn. It's never typical. So that's a disclaimer. If you don't put in the work, you will not earn anything. In fact, you will fail. This is work. And if you are spending 12 hours in your day job, you're working 9 to 5, you probably spend 20 with this. But if you want to do it as a side hustle, you can come back from work and do it. You want to do it full time, you need to spend so much time. Why? Because if you are able to do so much for a period of time, 1 year, 2 years, then you rest for a long period of time too. Because what you have done today, it will be working for you. That is when it turns passive. Working for you, and you sleep, you wake up, you go and look at your check, you sleep, you wake up, you go and look at your pay and how much you've earned. It's so beautiful. That's a beautiful experience. But you need to work hard, so much time, energy to make it work for you. If you buy this, that's a motivation for it to work for you. So this is a site that is already working, and you can easily go in here and make things work for you. I believe that if you put in the work, it's going to be successful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Let's see each other in another video.